Let's go through LeetCode 215, case largest element in an array. For this question, it gives us an array and let us to find the case largest element. We can use something like a quick select. For the quick select, we pass in the array and also we pass in start and parameter. And it returns the case, the index, the case that is k-1 index. So we are find the case element here. We pass in the numbers array, and we have a start index and the end index. Also, we have an index. So let's say if for the quick select is trying to swap for the start, and if it's start already greater or equal to end, we just need to return index. And we're going to have the pivot equals numbers start minus start divided by 2. And let's use the left equals start. Right equals end. Let's say while left smaller equal to right. Here we'll say while left equal to right and nums right greater than pivot. Nums left greater than pivot, because we want to have a bigger one on the left. So let's say if the nums left smaller or equal to pivot, we are going to swap. But if it is greater, we just have the left keep moving for the left pointer, and we'll also write my left smaller or equal to right, and nums right smaller than pivot. So that means on the right, if the numbers on right is greater equal to the pivot, we have the right, and it's nice. Greater equal to will have swap, and if it is smaller, then we just keep moving the right index. So if we are moving out of this while loop, that means the left point number left is smaller or equal to pivot, and the right number is greater or equal to pivot. Then we need to swap for these two elements. So but before we swap, we also need to make sure the left pointer is on the left or right. We'll have in temp, let's do swap equals nums left, and the nums left equals numbers right, and the nums right equals temp, and also left move one step, and the right move left for one step. And after we moving out this while loop, let's say now the left will be on the left will be on the left, on the right will be like this position. Right will be on the left. After we move this while loop, and this is the end, and this is start. So we want to see whether this index is following in this range or in this range. Then we do quick select again for different ranges. So we'll say if index smaller right index greater equal to start end. So that is on the left part. So I'll see the right is already on more to the left of the left pointer. So let's say return left nums start right index. And let's say if index greater equal to left and index smaller equal to end, say return select nums left and index. And if we need to let it compile, so I'll just return index. So this index, we want to find a case. So we just return case number, return numbers. We know this one is return index. Of course, we can let it to return numbers as well, just return nums index. That should be fine as well. Quick select nums 0, nums length -1. Hey, -1 because we are passing the index. Return numbers quicker select. For this question, we use a quick select. The time complexity will be O(n), and we didn't introduce actual data structure. Space complexity is O(1).